Alright guys, welcome to this France minimal packing video. I spent about 10 days here in France, going from Paris to Le Havre to Rome, different places following the Women's World Cup as they battled through to win. First of all, this is the Peak Design 20 liter, 30 liter, 20 liter pack. I'll clarify right here. Everything fit into here that I wasn't wearing. My USA soccer support jersey, my Nike long sleeve hoodie, 2 packs, the Arc'teryx vest, and the outdoor resurge shell in case it rained, some support items, Q-tips, toothbrush, a couple of simple things here, a beanie, outdoor research gloves, and a balaclava in case it got cold. Also the very thin fit kicks. These are very simple, hot tubbing, walking around, simple. Also Arc'teryx short sleeve shirt and this plastic headed belt so that I don't have to take it off as security. Then we have 2 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of socks, these safety super secure travel pants, zippers everywhere so nobody steals anything as you're walking around. Then we have our running shoes, our running tights, our running headband to keep the sweat off my face, the running belt to keep all the things while I was running, and the running shirt. And that is the most simple packing of clothing I have ever done for any travel. Check this out, guys. Very simple items, multi-purpose, minimal packing. Now to the fun stuff. Let's go over here. And you can see this is everything I brought. First of all, this is still my main camera, the Sony a7R II with this lens, the 24 to 240, all fit into here when I was walking around. I have also the things that involve with this camera, the hoods to protect it in case it rains, the charging, an extra battery plus the one that's in there, some small micro SD cards for this other GoPro, and these cards for the main Sony. This is the running section and the charging section, guys. Check it out. So first of all, an extra battery with the short iPhone charger, the wall plug, and this goes into the multi-charger for 3 USB connections, and also with this multi-fan of charging options, USB-C, micro USB, iPhone, everything. And this is the adapter you need for France, for Paris. It has 2 places to plug in. This goes into there. And also the running watch, the running chesty, so I can mount this GoPro base with the GoPro Hero 6 onto there, and the running earphones. And then, let's see here, that's our running area, charging area. Now we move on to the extension Manfrotto pole with this tripod base. They connect together right there. Now this is the iPhone X external battery. Ride this all day, and then at night switch to the other one, and this will charge it overnight. And then we have the new Evo 360 camera, Insta Evo 360, to record 360 and 3D shots. Also, this is my compression bag. Everything electronic fit into there. Also, the GoPro Hero 6, I believe. GoPro 7, I can't remember. I'll clarify that. The Osmo Pocket, the Osmo Pocket grip to fit on top of that. And let's see, we have our Bose noise cancellation earphones, our reader, and we have our passport up here with our itinerary binder that you've seen everywhere, France, Paris, Paraguay, everywhere. And sunglasses along with the Apple Watch. And that, my friends, is a minimal packing France, Paris, 10 days following the Women's World Cup. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.
Voilà le portrait sans retouche de l'homme auquel j'appartiens. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, qu'il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose.